Hello YouTube. Today I want to show you how we can create a gig in Fiverr. So I start with my Fiverr account. I go to my profile, and when you go to your profile you can see plus icon. You can see the button have plus icon, create a new gig. You click on that, and in a steps one overview you must write what you want to do in a Fiverr. So for example, I am a 3D artist. I want to have gig for creating 3D character for games. So in this frame I write I will do create your 3D character for animation and game. So the next frame is category. You must choose your category. Fiverr have many categories. For example, video and animation, graphic and design, and program, data, business. And you must choose your category based what the job you do. I chose graphic and design, and in the next frame, subframe, the graphic design or every category you choose, you have a subcategory. So for example, I know I want to create character for animation, so I chose character modeling. Okay, when I chose character modeling, you have gig metadata. This metadata information based your choice. So for example, I have a purpose. I click, I want to create the character for game, film, or 3D printing, or you can write something new in other game and for example, I write game and animation. In the next step, I choose my style. What is my character style? Low poly, minimalist, pixel, realistic, and abstract. I know my character is cartoony, so I choose the cartoon. So in the next file format step, I chose which format I give to my customers. I chose FBX, Blender, and OBJ because I am a Blender artist. So I chose STL format too, and we go to next step. In the search tag, we have a positive keyword. It means you can create tag for your gig, and you can just have 5 tag per gig. I chose 3D animation, cartoon characters, character design, 3D animation, and every tag you think this is good positive keyword for your gig. I save and continue, and we go to the next step. In step 2, pricing, we have set our gig price. In scope and pricing, you can explain about your product. You have you can choose one price or create package for 3 level price. And every level must have some different from other levels. And we have basic, standard, premium, and you get the name to them. In the basic frame, I write basic character. In a standard frame, I write the standard character, and for premium, I write the premium character package. You can get every name you want. In the next frame, describe the detail about your gig. For example, in basic, I write making simple 3D character with texture and UV, and in standard, I write making a very good 3D character with texture and UV with good detail. And for premium package, I write making a very high quality 3D character with texture and UV with the best shading for zoom shot. So in the next frame, I choose my delivery time. I choose 3 days for basic. I chose 4 days for standard, and I chose 5 days for premium. In the revision, I chose one-time revision for making characters, and you have many other options. You can select them and edit them. For example, you can choose lighting for your package, rigging, including animation, and you can choose or not. And the last, I chose price for my package. I chose $50 for my basic price, $100 for standard, and $500 for premium, because I want to create the best character for premium package. So under that, we have add extra servers. You can have more option, and you say to your customers, if you pay more, you can have faster delivery time. You can have additional revision and many other options. You can have pay for rigging, extra money for rigging. After you're finishing, choose your option, you go save and continue to go to next level. In description and FAQ, you must description, you must write something about your gig and your benefit gig and why the people chose you. You must have a more explain about your gig. For example, I write why should you use my service? Good price, excellent quality of modeling, clean topology, poly count based on your request, fastest possible delivery on time. This is about my gig about 3D creation characters, and you must write description about your gig. So after that, I go to next level, save and continue, and go into level 4 requirement. In requirement, you just need add some question. For example, the Fiverr give you 2 questions. You can add them. Always I choose one of them. For example, I choose question 2 and choose the add and go to the next level. In the 5 step, we have a gallery. You can choose some of your artwork or some picture, video, and PDF file to show the people example about your gig. So I chose some of my 3D character for 3 pictures, and the picture 1 is primary and show the people for thumbnail, your gig thumbnail. I choose 3 picture. I choose my demo reel video. In the document, I can choose PDF. I have 2 PDF example, 1 and 2, and in the last I upload my video. Don't forget, your video must be 75 seconds in maximum, and your video size must be maximum 50 megabyte. I upload my video. You can see right now my character creation demo reel. I choose my video to upload, and after finished upload, I go to the next level, and I check this and go to save and continue to going to next level. So in the polish part, you just hit the polish your gig, and you can share your gig to other platform, social platform like X, like Twitter, like LinkedIn, Facebook. So for example, I choose my Twitter account and share my gig to the Twitter users. And I click on done, and my gig will create. So in my manage gigs, you can see my new gig. I go to my profile, and you can see my new gig. That's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you.